Yes, what is the controversy here? The blood sample that was sent.
Regard of the only sample has been drawn by the prosecution and sent to the concerned FSL. An FSL report also come on record, in which is Exhibit P28. And as per the FSL,
No, but why is in a criminal appeal? An order was passed to this court to draw the sample in a criminal appeal.
yes, my lord, but because the FSL, the contraband, the blood sample has been drawn by the prosecution and sent to the FSL report, and FSL report is come and against the applicant. And applicant is pointed out that the what's the reason to the collect the blood sample of the prosecutors, father.
Identification form and forwarding notes not available in the
This is a criminal appeal.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the question of taking such evidence at the stage of a criminal appeal until and unless application is moved for additional evidence?
Yes, my lord, the counsel for the applicant has pointed out before the honorable court that the sample is not properly collected by the prosecution.
So that is to be considered.
Consider and
appeal.
decided. My lord, may I kindly appreciate in order dated, kindly see the my lord, order dated 9/9/2020. Firstly, 9/9/2020.
Just to inform the
And this order passed by the honorable court and pointed out that a DNA report obtained to the victim blood for the vaginal was found on T-shirt of the applicant. And it is also decided by the honorable court as earlier order passed by the 9/9/2020. And new fact come on record by the counsel for the appellant in the 9/9/2020 order. Kindly see.
9/9.
2020. And kindly see the last para. And court observed that the court below, on the basis of the DNA report, obtained that the victim blood from vaginal was found on the T-shirt of the applicant.
Appellant was convicted
On the specific question.
Just a moment.
Yes.
So 7 years. The DNA test has already been performed.
Already been performed, and Exhibit P28
Shows
And
that the
that's-
blood on the T-shirt of
T-shirt of the applicant.
is the victim's blood from her private part. And that has been proved in the DNA test.
Yes.
So what is the problem?
Yeah. Which doctor when taken the blood sample of the prosecution, no document available in the record.
So that is something
That is necessary to fill the form of identification
that is
form
to
which
be
is
argued. That is to be argued as a matter for argument. Why was the blood taken of the prosecutrix again? When was that order passed?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, one of the
Does that mean-
sample taken to the prosecution and sent to the FSL.
When
An
should
FSL
that-
report has been come on 5/9/2016. And FSL is positive. Thereafter, my lord, the blood has been taken by the prosecution and sent to the DNA report. And DNA report has been come on the record, and DNA report has also been positive.
Oh. There is no additional, separately a sample was not taken from here. After the appeal was being heard,
Yeah.
was another sample taken and sent.
No.
It is only on the basis of arguments of the basis of record.
Yes.
Is it not? All that you need to find out is what does the DNA report say.
Yes, my lord, but sample already taken in the during the
Trial.
trial.
Yes.
And the report also will come on Exhibit P28 is kindly see the
sample was sent to the FSL record laboratory after 2.5 years of the crime.
That is, it's a DNA test, even if it is sent after 2.5
the
years.
prosecutor is aged about 2.5 years. And he's a minor.
Yes,
He
but
he
there
is
is
the father of the prosecutors. And what the kindly see the fact of the case, my lord.
Let's look at the.
And as per the order dated 9/9/2020, my lord, the Honorable Court is a specific question put by the counsel for the appellant is not unable to give the answer.
and
The
that was
circumstance-
virtual hearing.
But kindly see
I
the,
could not.
kindly see the page number 98 of the digital record.
Page number?
103 is
Yeah,
the report, DNA report.
It's a perfect match.
Perfect match. And date of incident is 31st of August 2016, and the 1/9/2016 FIR was registered, and the article sent to the FSL, and FSL report come on 5/9/2016 after 4 days. Thereafter, one of the article sent to the DNA report also. DNA report has been come on record.
When was the blood sample sent for the test?
Well, first sample
Ah,
collected by the prosecution.
sent on.
Uh,
When was the first sample taken?
पहला कब? Oh, second.
The date of the incident?
31st of August 2016. Sir, first sample,
Was he arrested on the same day?
second day. अरेस्ट हुआ है 5/9/16 को, 5/9/16. अरेस्ट ऑन 5/9/16.
जब शुदा माल था दिनांक 1/9/2000 को प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 6.
सैंपल फर्स्ट सैंपल ड्रॉन ऑन 14/9/2016 गांधी मेडिकल कॉलेज भोपाल को.
Article O, sample of Article O, when taken, there is no any record.
ये है ना, सब है.
Okay?
The prosecutor died also.
नॉर्मल स्टिल है. एंड आर्टिकल ओ इज कंसर्न, मतलब दैट इज माय एक्सप्लेनेशन. पहले तो सैंपल ले लिया था, उसके बाद एक आर्टिकल पर जब क्वेश्चन आया तो उसको फिर उसका ब्लड सैंपल लेके वो जो रिजर्व किया था उसको फिर हमने सेकंड उसमें ओ में भेज दिया.
ये 2 साल बाद है ये.
हाँ,
Trial court को सिर्फ
एक
5 मिनट नहीं
सीलबंद
किया.
डिब्बे जिसमें पीड़िता अंजलि का ब्लड सैंपल.
so first blood sample has been taken. Thereafter, also one article also in question put before the trial court. Thereafter, the prosecution again call the report of the DNA.
जो भेजे गए थे वो जब कपा.
ये आर्टिकल जब हुए हैं उसमें दिया मैंने, अब चार्ट दिया है वो आर्टिकल्स उसमें
हाँ, यस इसमें है.
उसमें लिखा हुआ है सर.
दिनांक दिनांक
सर ये
9/2016
1916, 2916, 2916, 2916, 31st August 2016.
तो 2 साल तक रखे क्यों रखा है इसको साथ?
नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं.
You see, the FSL report shows
ऐसे पर
that they received the articles in 2018.
5/9/2016.
कार्यालय पुलिस अधीक्षक रेल. हाँ, आपके उपरोक्त संदर्भित पत्र सुवंशों के अनुसार पीड़िता की विवरण को डॉक्टर अनुराग तोमर गांधी मेडिकल कॉलेज भोपाल द्वारा रक्त सैंपल लिया जाकर रिजर्व कर दिया, जिससे जब कर थाने में सील बंद, थाने की सील वो सील बंद का प्रदर्श वो देकर. बट वाई वॉज इट जब कब हुआ? 2018 में. क्राइम है 2016 का.
सर एक्चुअल आफ्टर द इंसिडेंट वो 18 में इसलिए लिया क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म में रहते थे पूरे फैमिली के साथ. जब इंसिडेंट हुआ तो इनको हॉस्पिटलाइज किया गया. हॉस्पिटलाइज से जो उसकी मदर थी और प्रोसिक्यूटिव थी वो कहीं मिस हो गए. उसके बाद फिर प्रोसिक्यूशन ने उनको सर्च किया. जब वो 2018 में मिले
कौन मिसिंग हो गए?
प्रोसिक्यूटर से उसकी मदर.
हाँ,
ये सो कॉल्ड फादर तो जेल चला गया और ये वहां से गायब हो गए. हॉस्पिटलाइज थे प्रोसिक्यूटर और उसकी मदर थी हॉस्पिटल में. दोनों फिर वो बच्ची को लेकर उसकी मदर गायब हो गई. फिर 2018 में जब प्रोसिक्यूशन ने उसको सर्च किया, जब वो मिली प्रोसिक्यूटर, तब उसका ब्लड सैंपल 2018 में ड्रॉप.
अपील कब का है?
ये अब इंसिडेंट तो सर 2016 का है.
16 का.
2016 का इंसिडेंट है. 31st of August 2016.
2016 को क्या क्या जब्त किया गया था?
मानो 2016 को सर एक जो प्लेस ऑफ इंसिडेंट है वहां से एक
ये
खून आलू का
प्लेटफॉर्म पे
कॉटन,
इटारसी दर्ज है, तब
खून आलू का कॉटन जो है प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 6 से. ये है सर आर्टिकल्स में सारे बता देता हूँ.
फिर
19
कॉटन का कंट्रोल सैंपल बी
1916.
इटारसी छोड़ छोड़ी. पीड़िता का तुरंत तो एमएलसी तो हुआ ही था.
हाँ, एमएलसी हुआ था. एमएलसी किया था डॉक्टर. एग्जिबिट B4 है एमएलसी रिपोर्ट. डॉक्टर बरुणा पाठक PW5.
अस्पताल से कब गायब हुई है?
डेट मेंशन नहीं है सर कि वो कब वहां से चली थी। रिपोर्ट आने के पहले लेकिन वो चली गई थी फिर वहां पर।
आयो कौन था उस वक्त, क्या
सर उस
नाम?
समय आईओ थे मिस्टर
हेमंत श्रीवास्तव।
हेमंत श्रीवास्तव PW11।
हेमंत श्रीवास्तव। ये गायब कब हुए? When did they go missing? तारीख?
Who one?
The prosecutor and the mother.
No, that is not mentioned in the record.
That means how do you know that they went missing? And when did she give a statement before the trial court?
Before the trial court is
The mother and the mother, sorry, the prosecutor would not have given a statement.
Yes, I got it. और in record कब आए? ये 4/8/2017 मनोज बागरी का रिपोर्ट है।
4 to
डॉक्टर जो मतलब श्रुति जोशी ये आया इसका 4/8/2017।
4/8/2017. The mother testified before the trial court.
Before the trial court 4/8/17।
The original record with her. Because this blood sample was taken during the course of the trial.
During the course of the trial. Yes, that is admitted.
Was there a supplementary charge sheet that was filed?
No, my lord, just subject to charge sheet.
So how was the? No, but if there was no supplementary charge sheet, how was the evidence taken during the course of the trial? It could have come in the category of further investigation, but then there should have been a supplementary charge sheet because that was not evidence at the time when the charge sheet was filed.
But my lord, generally during the trial, my lord, if the DNA report has been come on record,
They were never sent. The DNA report itself, you see, after the trial commences, this part of a blood sample was taken during the course of the trial. The trial had already commenced.
trial already commenced.
The charge sheet was complete, but does the charge sheet say that they are given for DNA samples have already been given and they are awaiting the result?
FSL
That
and DNA,
makes-
FSL and DNA also.
No, FSL, yes, 28/10/2016. On that date, you had not even taken the blood sample to send for a DNA. So what is the procedure itself is faulty. During the course of the trial, you take the samples of everyone and send it. What about those artifacts? Where they're lying in the with the police itself? They must have been lying with the police.
But my lord,
If they were lying with the police, there is sufficient scope for contamination of the samples.
yes. But my lord, this fact is not being seen by the honorable court. That other fact is also come on record, my lord, that the applicant has committed rape with the prosecution, my lord. That is admitted.
How is that admitted that she is committed rape with the prosecution?
My lord, as per the MLC report and the statement of the mother and the eyewitnesses, the PW1 is the scene that the person is run away from the along with the prosecutors in the
No,
platforms.
no eyewitness.
If that be the case, then we don't require the DNA report.
Yes.
If you're confident that there can be conviction of the appellant, dehorse the DNA, then we can go in and examine only that part.
Only that.
Because here we're not really very happy with the procedure that has been followed, that after the charge sheet has been filed, you again do something which is in the realms of investigation without even, first of all, taking the permission of the trial. It is not required, that's not mandatory. But as a matter of courtesy, it's always taken. Or the trial court has directed.
Matter is sub judice before the trial court.
Whether the trial court could not have directed under 156(3) after
156(3).
charges are framed.
Yes, yes.
That is, it is only the prerogative of the
Audience.
We know that's a case of rape.
That is the lapse of the.
And 2016, we had sufficient facilities for DNA testing.
That is the in this point is lapse of the investigation.
और ये 2 साल तक उसके जो जितने भी बच्ची के जो अंडरवेयर वगैरह सब पुलिस के पास ही था उन 2 साल तक, जब तक वो भेज नहीं गया थे 2018
सीज कर लिया था सर
सीज करके पुलिस थाने में ही था वो।
माल खाने में assigned to the FSL and FSL after the report FSL
It was sent to FSL in 2018.
2018 16
16 में कहाँ है चिट्ठी जो FSL भेजा है?
FSL में ही रहता है, फिर FSL से बाद में कोर्ट
ना FSL तक पहुंचा कैसे? कोई चिट्ठी होगी फॉरवर्डिंग का 2016 का,
हाँ
वो जरा दिखा दो पहले।
यही वाला है
Artifacts went and they remained there in the FSL laboratory itself.
Yes, now
2018, only the blood was
only
sent.
the blood sample and the mark O has been sent to the
And blood sample of the child also. Was sent in.
only the blood sample of the child. The article also Pratap, the previous in the year of 2016, but the missing to the prosecutor's mother, there are he was recovered and blood sample has been taken in the year of 2018 and sent to the DNA also for DNA.
Then what is the problem? Then there is nothing wrong with the DNA report. We
There's
were under the impression that the artifacts remained in the police with the police.
documents are now examined in trial court.
Which documents?
Identification form and blood sample of who and which taken.
The only thing is whether it could have been taken in the manner in which it was done in 2018. No supplementary charge sheet, nothing. In fact, the accused was always, why did you not take the sample and send it immediately? The accused was all the time there appearing before the trial court from 2016 itself.
But,
His sample could have been taken.
Sample of the accused cannot be taken in the year 2018.
Why? No, the sample of the accused was taken in the year 2018.
16.
Accused का
16 में ही ले लिया था
अच्छा accused का भी ले लिया था 16
सिर्फ प्रोसिक्यूटर्स के मिसिंग होने के कारण उसको 18 में लिया सर बाकी उसकी तो एफएसएल रिपोर्ट हमारी
हाँ समझ गया राइट राइट आई थॉट ओके ना तब तो ठीक है
जो प्रोसेस है
जी।
सैंपल लेने का वो बहुत ही
स्लो
एक्सीलेंट होना चाहिए।
चाहिए
हाँ यस यस
आपको ये बताना चाहिए था कि किस डॉक्टर ने क्या प्रोसीजर अडॉप्ट करके वो सैंपल लिए।
बिल्कुल
यस एब्सोल्युटली
मैच करने के लिए पहले ये तो बताना था ना कि ये किसी तरीके से
हाउ वाज द सैंपल सीन
व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस अडॉप्ट
हाउ
बाय
वाज
द
द सैंपल सीन
कह रहे हैं कि
जी वो उनको जानकारी नहीं कि कैसे ने सैंपल का
प्रूव नहीं किया।
Yes.
Yeah.
prosecution proved to the DNA report and concerned doctor
Is it-
for the trial court
नो इट्स
No,
आप इससे मैच कर रहे हैं जो पहले से आर्टिफैक्ट्स थे एक ठीक है अंडरवर्ल्ड दूसरा जो आर्टिफैक्ट्स एक्यूज के थे जो उसी समय 2016 में
2016 में यस
तीसरा जो प्रोसिक्यूट्रिक्स का ब्लड है जो 2018 में लिया
18 में लिया गया
ठीक है नाउ कैसे लिया गया वाटर सीडिंग किसने की टू इंश्योर दैट दे
वो मैंने है सर वो मैंने दिया है आपको सर
कौन सा हैज दैट बीन प्रूव्ड इट हैड टू बी एक्सिबिटेड
वो रोज नामजा वगैरह सारे मैंने आपको दिए हुए हैं हाँ ये फ्लैग लगा हुआ है
ये फ्लैग लगा
हाँ, इसमें सारे दिए हुए हैं कब हमने लिया है किसने लिया है
दिया है वेयर इसको प्रूव किसने किया है
yes.
हाँ ये
प्रूव
Before
किसने
trial
किया
court.
प्रूव किसने किया ये डॉक्यूमेंट जो आपने बताया कब लिया गया था ये साबित किसने किया है ट्रायल कोर्ट क्या एक्सिबिट किसने करवाया हैज दिस बीन एवर बीन एक्सिबिटेड
यस दैट इज
अगर एक्सिबिट नहीं हुआ तो फिर इसका
डॉक्यूमेंट कैन नॉट बी एग्जिबिटेड बिफोर द
हाँ
ट्रायल
कर सकते थे अगर आप कर सकते हैं you could have got the witnesses and examined these
Exactly.
witnesses who had produced made these documents and got them exhibited
एग्जिबिटेड
but this document
Not-
does
not
not,
been
have, it was not exhibited at all so therefore the chain of custody जो blood sample लिया और उसको वहां
कब
तक
भेजा
है
हाँ।
it's
तो
not
धोखा नहीं।
secure इसका कोई इसमें आई विटनेस के तौर पे
नहीं आई विटनेस नहीं सर जो PW1 है जिसको वो मिलती है कि प्रोसिक्यूटर फिर PW3 बताती है कि ये लेके गया था अब ट्रेन की पटरी पर PW3 का स्टेटमेंट देखेंगे पैरा 2 में तो उसमें क्लियर बताया था नहीं खबरें थी
और वकील सो रहा था
नहीं खबरें थी कि हुई स्टेटमेंट
ढूंढ रहा था बच्चे।
So your contention is the blood sample that was taken, the chain of custody has not been proved. आपका कहना यही है कि चेन ऑफ कस्टडी जो है जो सैंपल बच्ची की ली गई थी 2018 में उसका वो ठीक से ना एक्सिबिट हुआ है वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स
Or even property which are seized by the IO, not its witness, we are not examined before trial court. Any
कौन
witness,
से आर्टिकल्स
any,
आप बताइए कौन से आर्टिकल्स की बात कर रहे
जी,
हैं
yes, teacher, life teacher.
एक मिनट जैसे कि अंतिम संपत्ति का विवरण
Even the signature of IU is not also in seizure memo.
So these were articles that were seized. So they would have a corresponding seizure memos of them.
Number 2, पीले रंग की टी-शर्ट, Azim Khan, not examined before trial court.
Why?
And memo, page number 41, 2 witnesses same, not examined before trial court.
In?
2 witnesses, Rizwanuddin and Azim Khan.
These were witnesses to the seizure memos. Witnesses to seizure memos not examined. आप यही कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Yes.
What are their name? Rizwan?
Rizwanuddin and Azim Khan.
Not examined.
Not examined.
ये रियाज अली पिता रियाजुद्दीन है सर वो। आप
रियाजुद्दीन पिता
रियाज अली
ये
पिता रियाजुद्दीन है।
रियाज अली
नहीं,
ये देखिए
अच्छा इसमें जो है वो रियाज अली पिता
इसमें गलत लिखा है, ये सही।
ठीक है सर। एग्जामिन नहीं होगा। Only the IU says कि
किसने सील किया, किसने लिया, किसने सील किया, कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें।
नहीं,
कुछ भी नहीं।
only the IU says वाला दी सैंपल लिया था और उसको FSL के लिए भेजा था।
अच्छा ये तो जो विटनेसेस है रियाजुद्दीन और आजिम खान, they have not been examined before the trial court.
सीजर विटनेस है, सीजर विटनेस को गिवन अप कर दिया सर इसमें, क्योंकि लिस्ट ऑफ विटनेस में तो इनका नाम है
क्यों गिवन अप कर दिया?
और इसमें गिवन अप किया है इसमें, लिस्ट ऑफ विटनेस में तो नाम है उनके पास।
डॉक्टर एस आई श्रीमती मेडिकल संस्था में मेडिकल अफसर blood sample Indian by the plastic. That's the legal. We are reserving it for orders. Yes. So it's the one that you have that inside. You can doctor the needs, so the people never included.
आज कल के
Yes.
डॉक्यूमेंट्स इन 2018 के आज लाएंगे
यस,
आप प्रोग्राम के सारा
आज
आज सबमिट कर दें, आपने किया
जी।